Vivo V20 2021 quietly launched in India for Rs. 24,990. As the year comes to a close, Vivo has decided to add one last smartphone to its India portfolio, albeit quietly and without much hullabaloo. The Chinese giant has unveiled an upgraded version of the recently launched Vivo V20. It is called the Vivo V20 2021 and brings only a minor processor upgrade. Vivo V20 2021 specifications. The Amazon listing for the new Vivo V20 2021 appeared overnight. It offers the same design, cameras, and features as the original variant. The only difference here is that Snapdragon 730G powers the Vivo V20 2021 in comparison to the Snapdragon 720G SoC. Both chipsets are pretty similar, read in-depth comparison here, and the Snapdragon 730G wouldn't bring a major upgrade in day-to-day performance. This is a needless upgrade, especially with the standard V20 bring available at the same retail price tag. Besides the chipset, the rest of the specifications remain the same. You have a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 2400x1080 pixel resolution on the front. There's also a 44MP selfie camera housed inside the water drop notch at the top. It supports eye autofocus technology to better track subjects while recording videos. You can see how the Vivo V20 2021's eye autofocus feature works. The rear camera island includes a 64MP primary camera, which is coupled with an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP mono sensor. Under the hood, the chipset is coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage. It can be expanded up to 1TB using a microSD card. There's also a 4000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging onboard. Price and availability. Vivo V20 2021 has been priced at Rs. 24,990 for the single 8GB plus 128GB variant. The device is available in two colorways: Sunset Melody and Midnight Jazz. It is already up for sale via Amazon India, so you don't need to wait to get your hands on this new smartphone.